Hi guys, hope you are doing well. Here I am with the another video of our new update, Gemini Horoscope. The Gemini Horoscope new update was released today. We have a number of UI changes, like we have added new themes, we have added new fonts. Then the whole settings tab is changed now. I'll show you each and everything one by one. On the top left corner we have a button. If you click on that, all the features will open. The first feature is daily horoscope. This is the daily horoscope reading for your profile, for your zodiac sign. By default, today you can see, you can swipe left and right for tomorrow horoscope. Then we have weekly horoscope, monthly also we have, yearly also horoscope we have. Here we have a lot of readings like personal and social life, love for couples, love for singles, your forecast for this year based on your career, money, etc. Just go through it. Next option is love horoscope. This is a special horoscope which deals with love and relationships forecasts for today, same way yesterday, tomorrow, this week, month, year. The weekly, monthly and yearly horoscopes are classified under couples and singles. There are separate horoscopes for couples and singles. You can see on top right corner there is a share button. You can share everything, all the horoscopes which we have in the app on WhatsApp with your friends, or you can post it on Facebook. Just click on that and you can see there are a lot of options to share it. There is another button to reduce and increase the font, like this. The third feature is Zodiac Reading. This is the basic Zodiac profile reading for your Gemini sign. This will tell you how the person is who is having Gemini as the Zodiac sign, what are the characteristics, then what are the hobbies, etc. Go back. The next feature is child sign compatibility. In this you can compare your sign with your partner's zodiac sign and see how compatible you are with your partner. This is basically a comparison for your love and relationships. Just go through it. It will help you a lot for improving your relationships, and if you are facing any issues, it will tell you what to do to get rid of it and make it a better and happier relationship. Go back. The last thing is child astrology. We have child astrology profile reading. This is especially for children. It is going to tell you how the child will be, what will be his characteristics, her characteristics, what hobbies he or she might have. So you will get a lot of information here about kids. Same way, this also you can share. On the top right corner there is a share button. These are all the features. The settings tab is the next thing which I had told you in the beginning. Click on that. Here we have a lot of options for theme changes. This is a default theme. If you don't like the theme, you can change the theme. It will change for the entire app. I'll show you here. See, everything is changed now. Then again, there are fonts added. You can change the fonts depending on your liking. You can even change the font colors, like this. Whatever colors you like, you can change them. Then on top behind setting there is a bar, which color you can change here. Like all the header tabs color will change. Here also you can see. So like this, there are a lot of customizations available now in the app. There are font size changes. You can make it bigger or smaller. If you don't like it, just reset to default. It will reset everything to default settings, default theme, default font, etc. There is another thing like notifications. We have daily notifications at 8 a.m. Which will tell you to open the app and see your horoscope. If you don't like it, just disable it, but I suggest you keep it enabled so that every morning when you get up, you will have your horoscope ready. There is a rate me button down. If you like the app, just give us good ratings, good comments, give us suggestions to add new features, suggest some good things, and we will try to update it in the next update when we will release it. Rate me button will take you to the Play Store URL where you can give comments. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. We'll be back in the next update with exciting new features. Thank you.